Lofted shot. Lofted shot. A white ball to start the proceedings, and that opened the scorecard of the team. Once again, going far away from the off stump. And second wide, and Calicut Blasters. Now excellent set. Once again, defensive strong from the batter. And super ball. Where is that one? Going down the leg stump. Now kept it a little bit low on the track. And there will be no chance for the batters. Oh, nicely shaped it. A little bit unpredictable balls. Just nicely leads with that. And now beautiful one. Oh, that will be the wicket. Oh, surgical strikes. Oh, that gone past the wicket keeper. Nicely shapes it, that one right on the track and just a little bit weight on offer, and that goes away from the. Nicely connected that one, and just takes a single by the batter and. Just placing that one towards the onside region, and it will. Time for a shot, but this time that one gone past the bat. Beautiful video over number second. Beautiful way the man strikes. Just gives it with a defensive stroke, and the bat is close between the wickets. Nicely carries the balls. Beautiful. Just don't. Now trying for a hard hit. Not the shot, the leading edge and straight to the unsub shot mid. And there will be the wicket number 2. And the man trying to lob that one over the cover region, but it goes straight to the field and inside the ring. And perfect one. And that produced the second wicket from the side of Kollam Kidilams. Number 2 goes down, 11 for the loss of 2. Wow, that's a beauty. That is a beauty once. It's in the air once again, but it landed very safely. And there will be the single to start the. Wow, timber bent down, and what a delivery that was. Absolutely a magnificent delivery from Sujit Rao. He picks up the wicket, and that is the wicket number 3 down from the side of Kollam Kidilams. On the other side, a Kidilan performance for the team, Calicut Blasters, and they were producing the wickets. That's another beautiful delivery. Nicely plays it, that one goes straight to the field. No chance. Once again, nicely bowled and directed superbly by Ansari, the new batter straight away. Just played that one nicely. Goes straight to long of region and takes a single. That right down in the leg stump. And keeping one in safely. This time a lofted shot into the wicket pot. Oh, yes, no, and finally a trouble. And finger goes up and there will be a wicket in form of run out. മറ്റൊരു വിക്കറ്റ് കൂടി നഷ്ടപ്പെടുകയാണ്. ആദ്യ റണ്ണിൽ സെറ്റിൽ ചെയ്യാമെന്ന ഉറച്ചു നിന്ന new batter joins on the non-strikers end, just clicks it that one onto the onside region. Oh, there will be a boundary for 4. Beautifully. Little bit flighted one, right in the track. Beautifully bowled by Tanveer. White ball down the leg stump once again. That brings a winner in the last Premier League. And this time play that one once again towards the backward of the deep square. And just takes a single. Lofted shot. Just played with some control and straight away. The last year. This time, Sujit Rao's variation at his breast. Once again, the man strikes. What a way the man delivered that one right on the track. Absolute plop. And there is no chance for the batter to react. A very, very well maintained delivery. What an over, what an excellent 2 overs of spell by Sujit Rao. A magnificent spell. Over. Right, a fast bowler comes into the attack and straight away played that one onto the onside region. No. Lofted shot. Little bit control there and fielder in the deep. Gathered nicely by Anish. Wow, what a way the man generates some pace from the track. Excellent way, changes the length on this occasion. And shot to the covers region. Just gets a single. In the air, and there is a man in deep and one bounce after. It finds a fielder. Another single just. Lofted shot and superbly controls that one, and that is breaking the shackles for the batting side. Much needed boundary. This is for the team column. And Basir, who brings that one super. Shot, beautifully played. And there is a man in the deep in covers region. Takes another single. Consecutive.
ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക, ഒരു ഐഫോൺ ചാർജ്
straight up in the sky. Anisis comes under it and he grabs it superbly. And that produced another wicket from Kollam Kidilams. A Kidilan performance on the other side by Calicut Blasters in the first innings. Number 6 goes down. It's 35 for the loss of 6. Display that one onto the onside region. No chance there for the batter. A superb delivery to start the action. That is gone way wide from the target. That's a shot and beats infield, and there will be a space to cover some runs. First run in a hot, and second one comfortably completed by the batters. Little bit bit there and comes down the track and play that one towards the offside region to take.
Now on the stage we have a very special person at this moment to welcome 61. And that's a wicket right in the hands of the bowler. He has taken him and sends another batter. 24 പന്തിൽ 61 റൺ അടിച്ച് 8 ബൗണ്ടറിയും 3 സിക്സറുമായി കളം നിറഞ്ഞാടിയ മലപ്പുറത്തിന്റെ സുൽത്താൻ. Let's all call the name together. The player of the match award winner is Arif. Welcome Arif on the stage.
Very well bowled once again. A little bit cut the pace of the delivery and then but gets the right control there and just takes a single and looking for second. Interesting call and very well completed. A couple of runs by the batters. Through the onside and there will be a boundary for 4. Beautiful shot. അതിനിടെ മലപ്പുറം ബ്ലാസ്റ്റേഴ്സിന്റെ എല്ലാ പ്ലേയേഴ്സും സ്റ്റേജിലേക്ക് through the onside, not gets the right control. He's just searching for second. First in the hard way and looking for second, and it will be a trouble on the other side. But one mind on the batting side, and they need to capitalize the next 3 deliveries in a very good way. Nicely bowled, beautiful delivery. Excellent one, back-to-back dot balls. Lofted shot goes straight to the fielder, but gone past the fielder and rises away towards the bench through the long off region. And that will be a boundary for 4 to complete the action from the innings number 1. 49 റൺസുകളുമായി ആദ്യ ഇന്നിംഗ്സ് അവസാനിക്കുന്നു. തുടക്കത്തിലെ തകർച്ചയ്ക്ക് ശേഷം അല്പമൊന്ന് ഭേദപ്പെട്ട രീതിയിൽ തിരിച്ചുവരവ് പ്രകടിപ്പിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് clicks in that one nicely and just crosses the face of the bat, and that finds the first run for the second inning. Nicely carries the pace by the bowler. Nicely carries once again, shapes it superbly by Ansari. And now once again takes it for single and that off the mark. Nicely gives it that one now. Lofted shot high in the sky and it will land for safe, and there will be the ball rises away and for a boundary for 4. Beautiful way the man start the action. Well ball, very good delivery to start the action by the second over. Swing and a miss, and that one nicely carried by the wicket keeper. That should be wide, just way outside from the gate line. Nicely bowled once again. Gives it straight back. Comes in down the track and played that one nicely. Played that one through the onside region, no chance to move. Charges down the ground by the batter, but there is no chance there. To the attack, and that carries by the wicket keeper. And the wicket number one down from the side of Calicut Blasters. This is exactly the team demands. The searching for the wicket, and finally the man produced the first wicket. Well, looks interesting. Abhilash Pillai is just working with some variations. Pulls it that one towards the onside region. Fielder is way wide from that region. Ease way the batters moving between the wickets. Through the onside, into the gap, and very well placed, and ball rises away towards the fence for a boundary. And that is a boundary from the hands of Nitin Karun. And is that one goes way wide from the target. And he need to load again. It's 6. Oh, straight to the field and takes that one superbly. Second wicket in this over. Wow, what a wonderful over by the man Abhilash Pillai. Cuts it that one and beats it speed, and there will be the ball rises away towards the fence for a boundary for 4. A very, very good start for this over by the batting side. കമന്ററി ബോക്സിൽ വിതരണം ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. കൈപ്പറ്റണം എന്നറിയിക്കുകയാണ് അതാത് ടീമിന്റെ ക്യാപ്റ്റൻസ്. ഓരോ ടീമിന്റെയും ക്യാപ്റ്റൻസ് കമന്ററി ബോക്സിൽ just clicks in that one towards the onside read. That is superbly bowled. Another one for the batters. Played that one nicely. A good call by the batter. And a very good run. Trying for a big shot. Not getting the connection right. Abhilash Pillai once again is just ready to mixing the variations. Makes it that one nicely. A long chase for the fielder coming quickly, and good work by the fielder indeed. And just allowing a 2-run. A nice defense. Cuts it that one. So beautiful way the man cuts it for a boundary for 4. Waited for that slow variation. Just to reach the target, it's a fantastic batting. Appeal from different corners, but not a confident. Trying to lob that one and not get the control. Shot through the outside region. And easily the batter takes a single. Just a control one. And plays that one towards the outside region while crosses the face of. Left a shot. And there will be some controls over there, and he trying to beat the fielder, and this time he gets a destination of a boundary for 4. And inches close the target for the team. Just 11 runs away to the dream place. Tried again, and this time right in the hands of the wicket keeper. And there will be the end of the over number 6, 39 for. Drives it that one. What a gorgeous way the man drives it towards the extra cover region. Such an outstanding cricketing shot. Lofted shot and fielder there in the deep, and he was waiting there and takes that one comfortably. അതിഗംഭീരമായ ഡോക്ടർ അനീസിന്റെ ആ ഒരു ഇന്നിംഗ്സിന് വിരാമം കുറിക്കുകയാണ്. ടീമിനെ വളരെ സുരക്ഷിതമായ ഒരു സ്ഥലത്തേക്ക് എത്തിച്ചതിന് ശേഷം അനീസ് തിരിച്ചു നടക്കുന്നു പവലിയനിലേക്ക്. മനോഹരമായൊരു nicely keeps it back onto the track. Played that one nicely by Sujit Rao and takes a single straight. Good delivery and nicely directed over there and takes a single. Played over the top of the infield, and this should be a winning run for sure. And the ball races away towards the fence for a boundary, and there will be the victory for the team Calicut Blasters. What a chase and what a victory. A phenomenal start for this tournament by Calicut Blasters. They've won all the part of this cricket match. A super bowling display in the first innings and controls the opposition, while just gives a 49 runs in the first innings.